just when you think you've seen them all. Got this emergency service call we're just finishing up on. You're not going to believe how they wired the panel humidifier. No! All right, we're on the second floor, front of the building here. Looks like they got a Lux Air gas-fired furnace. Got a General Air panel humidifier, a Takagi condensing, tankless water heater. I got no heat. Let's see what's going on with this furnace. I got some water on the top of this furnace. I'm carefully gonna remove this front access panel. We have light, look at that. All right. Let's see if anything's flashing. I don't see nothing going on in there. Absolutely nothing. A little popped out at me. Like I was gonna do something, you know? Let's see. Put my finger in the dike. Not a effing thing. See if our fuse is good. No, that would have been too simple, right? All right. Let's see if we got voltage. It was definitely a short here with something. Definitely something funky going on here. Okay, let's check for voltage out of our transformer. Before that, I'm gonna take a look at this door switch. Very, very sus. And it's sitting in water too. And they're all wet. Let's bypass the door switch. Some of you are gonna hate on me for this, but I need to, that's very, very sus. Look at that, I got some rust there, and it's looking real shady. All right, let's see what happens. Nothing. All right. Ooh. Oh, we got a little fire in there, baby. We got a little fire in there. Look at that. She's smoking. She's smoking. I knew there was something sus there. I knew it. I knew there was something very suspect in that box. For sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's some good stuff right there. Oh yeah, that's something you want to take home to mama. Oh yeah. See? Look at that. That. Yeah, baby. Show me the money. Show me the money. Show me the money. All right, we are going to, oh yeah, I got a lot of bling on today. I'm definitely going to get hated on for this, for sure. Okay, what do we got going on here? Let's cut this too. What the hell all this stuff was here? The ground. We have this is our incoming power. This is our Other power. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wonder which one is... Who the hell runs kind of wire like this? Who runs this shit? Look at this. You got a gray, a brown, and a green. Hey, what are you thinking? Are you stupid or something? What's up with this? All right, I got rid of that box that was sitting there. I didn't even know what the deal is with this. All right. I don't know which one is line voltage, which one is not, is neutral. So let's turn on my non-contact tester. It looks like that's going to be our line. That's going to be our neutral. So let's hook that up to our... I turned on the switch, by the way. Let's hook that up to our line and our neutral connections on the furnace, and let's see if we can get them up and running. Got the power switch off. Let's splice. Come on, baby. Oof. These wires are quite melted and very hard to strip. But let me get 2 more Wagos. I'm using the lever connectors. This is the model 221. I was not supposed to be working today, but the phone started ringing, so I'm still wearing what I normally wear when I'm not working, and I shouldn't be wearing jewelry, but it is what it is, I guess, right now. And while I was talking to you, I forgot which one is which, so that's going to be our line. Power's back off. Line to there, neutral to there. Okay, and let's just get that out of the way here. There's that door switch, which is also very sus. The water, all this water has come from that humidifier. So what I'm gonna do is I am just gonna cut this out of here. What? Hold on, what did they do here? They just gave it 24 volts. There's no aquastat. I mean, there's no humidistat here. Look at this. They just give it... Oh my God. Look at this. This is insane. Hold on. Follow this. Look at this. There's our solenoid, which is leaking, by the way. See that? It's just dripping. Here. Goes to here. Here's that wire. And the red is on C, and our white is on R. They're just feeding this thing with voltage continuously. You wonder why this thing was all vercocked like this. Jesus. Jeez Louise. Okay, let's just disconnect this thing right now. Okay. Let's take off that R. Okay, and let's take off C. There's a lot on C right now, by the way. We have the wire going from our condenser. We have thermostat. Well, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Forgot my knee pad in the truck. I didn't think I was gonna be in my knees. Gotta protect your knees, guys. All right, gas is on. Humidity. Here we go. Woo! Houston, we got ignition. We got ignition. Hallelujah. 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 Let's just wait for the blower to come on. Oh, it sounds like garbage, but she's still running. Wow. God knows how long that's been running for. Jeez Louise. Incredible. Wow. Not too shabby, ladies and gentlemen. A good technician is observant of their surroundings. And if you live in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area, and you're tired of getting bamboozled by your HVAC contractor for a no heat on your gas furnace? I want you to pick up the phone and call me at 516-348-6300. Or save time, book online at pipedoc.net. We service the Long Island metropolitan New York City area out of our location in Woodmere, which is in the southwestern corner of Nassau County. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. That is the absolute best way to support this channel, my business, and the entire Pipe Doctor family. Thanks a lot. I'll catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. Happy holidays.